so glad you stay here. And we're ready for the song of this week. Are you ready to sing with me? Okay, listen up. Here we go. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Miss snowy clouds in air, I should go racing there, swifter than day. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Miss snowy clouds in air, I should go racing there, swifter than day. Whoa, that was a wonderful song. I'm sure you're ready to learn that song. Okay, so let's do it. So what you're doing now is please you sing after me. You ready? Okay, here we go. Phrase by phrase. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Miss snowy clouds in air, I should go racing there, swifter than day. Why not we try it again? Let's do it again. One more time. Here we go. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Miss snowy clouds in air, I should go racing there, swifter than day. Are you ready for the next challenge? Okay, this time I will sing a little bit longer and you will sing the whole part after me. Here we go. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Miss snowy clouds in air, I should go racing there, swifter than day. Wow, 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 wow. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Miss snowy clouds in air, I should go racing there, swifter than day. Okay, now you're ready. Sing the whole song with me. If I a bird could be, I should fly over the sea, far, far away. Me shave them.